So on the Euro USD, if we start from the monthly time frame or the yearly time frame, we have it here that price action is negative 135 pips from its opening price. As you can see, it's created a bearish candle with a large lower wick, with no wick at the top, symbolizing that this year started off bearish, but now, as you can see, sellers are gaining more opportunity going into the latter part of this year. Moving on to the 6-month time frame, as you can see, the first 6 months of this year started off bearish. Price action fell negative 326 pips from its opening price, and it's now making it up in the second half of this this year. With that being said, if we go ahead and calculate it, we got 326 minus 190. Price action is just about 136 pips away from its opening price, which is something to definitely look out for. As price action could look to rise up to 1.10. Moving on to the quarterly time frame, we're on the third quarter. Price action has created two bearish candles in the first 2 quarters of this year, has created a bullish engulfing candle on the 4th quarter of last year, and with this year it's found support around 1.07 and looks to continue to go up to be bullish as price action looks to test the opening price of this year at around 1.10. We are currently about 100 pips from that area. Now moving on to the monthly time frame, price action has created two bullish engulfing candles, one in May and one in July, with the candle in June being a bearish counter trend. So with that being said, price action has risen 190 pips from its opening price this month. Moving on to the weekly time frame, price action has broken through this trend line to have found what is now a support just above 1.09, as price action just rests above that point. If we go into the daily time frame, you can see a little bit more information. We can see that on Friday, price action closed at just above 1.09, and this week price action has officially created what is a counter trend on lower time frames. Price action has opened this week at 1.08 and has now risen above 1.09 and now looks to close just above that area. As you can see on lower time frames, we have a higher low here, higher high, higher low, higher high. That gap where the price action opened for this week, a higher low and a higher high, with price action now looking to make a higher low, finding support on the 1.09 support and resistance area. Price action will most likely find support around this area and continue to go bullish, just around until we get to the point of 1.095. And as far as the US dollar, just to be as thorough as possible, it'll most likely just show you the inverse of everything that has happened. So as you can see on the yearly time frame, price action is open at 12,789, has risen 152 points from its opening price and creating a bullish candle with a large upper wick on the which time frame is it? I'm sorry. On the 6-month time frame, as you can see, price action has created what is a bearish engulfing candle. A bullish engulfing candle for the first 6 months of this year, and it's created a bearish engulfing candle for the second half. Price action has found a level of support and resistance right around 12,900, an area where price action looks to test that area. And as we go on to the quarterly time frame, you can see a bearish engulfing candle on this time frame. And then you can also see, you can also see a bearish engulfing candle right around here in October 23rd. You can also see a bearish engulfing candle in October 22nd. And for this month, for this third quarter of this year, price action has created a bearish engulfing candle, falling negative 133 points from its opening price of 13,776. Price action has now created a bearish engulfing candle for this month, as it continues to fall negative 137 pips. And on a weekly time frame, price action has is just above plus 11 pips from its opening price, as it'll continue to fall.